Learn about a country every day. Norway. Norway is one of the 5 Nordic countries. It covers 385,000 square kilometers in area. It sits at the westernmost tip of the Scandinavian peninsula. Norway borders Sweden to the east and Finland to the north. A small section of its territory touches Russia. Beyond mainland Norway, the Arctic territories of Svalbard and Jan Mayen, plus Bouvet Island in the South Atlantic, are Norwegian territories. Here is a little-known fact. The nation with the broadest latitude span is not the United Kingdom, but Norway. Longyearbyen in Svalbard is Earth's northernmost year-round settlement. Norway is divided into 15 counties. Oslo serves as both its capital and largest city. Bergen, the second largest city, lies just to the west. Because of rugged terrain, nearly 80% of Norwegians live within 10 kilometers of the sea. Despite its mountainous landscape, Norway has remarkably developed transportation. For example, the world's longest road tunnel, the Lærdal Tunnel, stretches 24.51 kilometers, linking western Norway's Lærdal and Orland regions. Another landmark is the Atlantic Ocean Road, which connects scattered islands and reefs, a must-visit route for cyclists and drivers. Speaking of Norway, its fjords deserve special mention. Shaped by the Ice Age, this land was once entirely buried under ice. Over time, melting glaciers carved deep grooves into bedrock, creating over 150,000 islands, and an extremely jagged coastline. Sonafjord is the largest fjord, plunging over 200 kilometers inland. Lake Mjosa is Norway's largest lake. The Glomma River is its longest waterway, flowing south to the North Sea. Its basin drains about 13% of Norway's area. The Scandinavian mountains form Norway's longest range. Here stands Galdhøpiggen, Norway's tallest peak. Due to extreme geography, some villages get no sunlight for 6 months. Residents use giant mirrors to reflect sunlight into valleys. Longyearbyen in Svalbard experiences greater extremes, 110 continuous sunless days, and 100 days of constant daylight yearly. This location also houses the Global Seed Vault, safeguarding over 1 million seed samples to protect against plant extinction. Thanks to Svalbard and Jan Mayen, Norway controls a 2.385 million square kilometers exclusive economic zone. Furthermore, these waters hold vast oil reserves. Surprisingly, Norway has expensive gasoline, costing 14 to 19 kroner per liter. This traces back to 1990, when Norway created its sovereign wealth fund to address oil depletion and aging populations, now worth over $1.9 trillion. It is the world's largest fund of its kind. Norway's wealth is staggering. 2024 GDP per capita exceeded $86,000. It leads the world in human development. 97% of Norway's electricity comes from hydropower. Norway pioneered carbon taxes in 1991 and became the first nation to ban deforestation. Today, Norway has 5.58 million inhabitants. Ethnic Norwegians make up 84%, with other Europeans comprising 8.3%. Evidently, Norway combines modern prosperity with sustainable vision, forming a wealthy, livable Nordic nation.